From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Quite the beautiful morning across Beaver Stadium here in State College. Let's take a look live right now. You can see this beautiful sunrise. The sun just poking out of the light clouds. 30 degrees here on this day, 24 feels like, due to that 6-mile-an-hour wind out of the northeast. And a day like today is going to be our first weather headline. It's going to be seasonable, but we're going to see some showers as we go throughout the afternoon. And the showers today are going to be a precursor to a very rainy pattern throughout the rest of the week. Unsettled tomorrow as we're seeing a storm system across much of the Great Plains move in our area tomorrow. And then going into the weekend, we're going to see rain Friday, Saturday, and maybe even into Sunday as well. That's going to be a parade of systems going through. No rain, though, in our area right now. We're seeing lots of sunny conditions across the Commonwealth. 30 in State College, around freezing in Du Bois and Franklin. They're sitting 31, 32. Scranton also 31. The rain isn't in our area, but much of northern Pennsylvania, much across the border of New York, is seeing some snow showers. But across Pennsylvania, not too much. You could see, though, when I zoom out, low pressure systems spinning across the Great Plains. Now, this is bringing already a storm risk for much of the lower Midwest. I think Missouri, maybe Oklahoma, and states like that will be seeing a storm risk as we go into the rest of the day. But we'll look at your temperatures. Cool across much of the northeast. That's because of a high pressure system bringing winds from the north. But that low pressure bringing winds from the south is making it a very mild start in cities like Memphis and Oklahoma City. Also want to take a look at the winds, though. It is quite calm across much of eastern and central Pennsylvania, but it is starting to ramp up just a little bit. And that's what the trend is going to be throughout the rest of the day, today into tonight. As you can see, these pressure gradients, these pressure isobars, lines of equal pressure are pretty tightly packed against each other. That's a classic sign of high winds. This is Thursday at 3 a.m. You could see this low pressure system, what's in the red, moving across your screen here. That's going to be bringing the storms that we're going to see tomorrow. A look at your Friday, though, you can see high pressure a little bit, but rain will be moving through our area then. And then going into Saturday and Sunday, we'll have another quick hitting low pressure system that will bring us rain. But I want to look at your severe weather outlook, though, currently for today. Not much action across Pennsylvania, but you could see across much of the Mississippi River Valley in cities like Memphis, southern Missouri, western Kentucky, a very high risk. Now, this is very rare in terms of what the SPC brings itself out to. This means a very serious risk for cities like that. Going to tomorrow, though, across our area, not as much of a risk, but still a slight risk across much of southern and western Pennsylvania, something that we'll have to watch for in terms of our conditions tomorrow. So here's a look at your future weather. You can see this radar rain moving through northern and western Pennsylvania. It really will not brush us and cause any concern. Maybe much of the northern counties, though, will start to see rain. But going into Thursday, you can see that rain now moving through a bit of a line, and you might have some impacts to the morning commute. Look at these winds to the south, though. That means temperatures are going to warm up going into Thursday. You can see this line moving through on Thursday. Here's a more expanded view, Thursday at 8 a.m. You can see this rain moving through, and now a parade of moisture coming through the lower Midwest on Friday, and still pushing through. We're going to see some more rain into Saturday, and then going into Sunday as well, our last bit of rain until we finally get dry in Monday morning. So here's a look at what's going to happen today. Before we get all this rain, it's going to be 51 degrees, a seasonable day, but with some showers possible. Winds ramping up from the south, gusts maybe up to 30 miles an hour. For tonight, 30 degrees, that rain arriving late, winds at the south at 10 to 15 miles an hour. And a look at your tomorrow, that's when we're going to see more of that storm threat, rain and afternoon thunderstorms, with a high of 72, quite above average, about 20 degrees. A look at your 7-day forecast. It will be seasonable today with those showers possible. Thursday, we'll see those thunderstorms and a very warm day, 72 degrees. It'll start to cool down a little bit on Friday, but still, the theme is showers Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, all chances of rain. Going into Monday, though, we'll start to have a dry trend, but also a cool trend as we go into the next work week. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Gavin Sandel.